To place an order on the Kargenic Trading website, you can follow these steps. Go to the Kargenic Trading website and shop for wheels, exhausts, suspension kits, lights, and air intakes by category on our website. You can search your car in search bar. Choose year. Select make. Select model. You can view products by tier categories, or you can use filters like brands, diameter, widths, bolt pattern, offset and price. Select front wheel size and rear wheel size. Choose the quantity you want to buy and click on the Add to Cart button. Free shipping in U.A.E and Oman. Free installation in U.A.E. Guaranteed fitment by our team of experts. Payment secure. Select your preferred payment method and complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation email with your order details and a tracking number when your order is shipped. If any query, then connect with customer support team via WhatsApp.